Maraming salamat po sa MMFF, to the whole committee, MMFF 50. Pang-pitong MFFF ko na po to. And this is the first time I was nominated, first time I won. Kaya malaking karangalan para sa akin. Ang trabaho po ng director usually gets a bulk of the credit. Pero hindi ko po magagawa yung trabaho ko if not for my incredible staff. Of course, yung design ni Nestor Abrahena, the beautiful cinematography of Shane Sarte, yung buong cast namin, of course, headed by Piolo Pascual, and ang aming lakan na si Bossing. So, maraming salamat to those who believed, Miss Jane, Miss Shena, and of course, Bossing, my co-producers, thank you for believing. A lot of people are saying that cinema is dead, Philippine cinema is dying. Ay, panurin nyo lang po ang MMFF 50. Tingnan nyo po, kiligin po kayo sa Franceth, maiyak po kayo sa Green Bones, panurin nyo po ang angas ng Topak, at panurin nyo po si Ate V in her revenge sa Uninvited, at mapakanta po kayo sa Isang Himala. Pag panurin nyo po ang MMFF 50, maniniwala po kayo na buhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang The Kingdom, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po!